Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 15 Chevy Silverado. Really nice truck. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona, so nice and clean. Aftermarket wheels on it. Like I said, you ain't gonna see any rust on the truck anywhere. A few rock chips, just from being driven with the bigger tires. Power seat, 134 802. Of course, Bluetooth, power windows, locks, brake controller, four-wheel drive, obviously. But nice, clean truck. Interior's nice and clean, no issues anywhere there. They put a plastic bed liner in it at one time. There you can still see the rock guard down there. A little ding in the bumper right here. Probably came into the bumper at one time. Pretty typical, these bumpers are so light that, but nice truck. Like I said, Arizona truck, no rust, really clean. A few rock chips right over here. So 12-month, 12,000 mile warranty. We back our stuff up, been through the shop, serviced, aligned, and then we, like I said, we back them up. On the drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC, electrical. So the best coverage you're going to get from anybody. 605-692-7010.